Guys, welcome back to my channel Blush with Zara, and welcome back to another episode of hashtag Shadi Ready, episode number 3. And in this video, I have created this beautiful makeup look which you can carry for your engagement, get together, or after marriage makeup look, or on your first Karwa Chauth. I have created brown smoky eye look which you can flaunt with any Indian attire. Guys, I personally love this makeup look the way it turned out. It's very simple and easy to create, and it's damn glam using affordable products. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So without wasting further more time, let's begin the video. Guys, I have already prepped my skin, so I'm starting with the primer from NY Bay. I'm just dotting it all over my face and just applying it all over my face, on my T-zone and on my eyelids, and I'm just going to leave for 10 seconds, and then I'm going in with the concealer from Swiss Beauty. I'm just applying it all over my blemishes and my dark circles. Here I'm using the concealer first before foundation because it works more better on my way, and this technique works the best when it comes to long lasting makeup look. And now I'm just going to apply my red lipstick from NY Bay, and I'm just going to blend it like a blush. I know right now I'm looking like a clown, but trust me, at the end everything will come and put together. And now I'm using my Fit Me foundation from Maybelline, and I'm just going to dot it on my face and neck and my forehead and everywhere to get a seamless look. And now I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender evenly, and blending is the key, as I always tell you. Guys, always make sure to blend it evenly all over your face, your neck, your ears, and everywhere wherever the skin is exposed, so that you can look evenly. And you can see the base right now, it's very fresh, very clean, it doesn't look cakey. And now I'm using my setting powder from Blue Heaven. I'm just applying it all over my face and my T-zone to set my base so that it doesn't have creases. Now I'm taking my kajal and make sure it's well pigmented and applying it like a eyeliner, and I'm going to smudge it using my flat eyeshadow brush like so, and applying it all over my lid to create a base for my eyeshadow. Now I have taken my Huda Beauty palette, it's nude edition, and I've taken the color Play. It's a dark brown shade, and applying it all over my lid and just smudging it with my black coal kajal which I have applied. And I'm just applying it nicely and smudging it using inward and outward strokes and circular motion. You can see the base right now. And after that I have taken the shade Secret. It's a light brown shade compared to the Play one, and I'm applying it all over my creases and above the crease line to create a good transition shade from darker to lighter shade, and looks so natural and so good. As you can see, just loving it. So our eyeshadows are done, and now I'm going to take the same kohl kajal and applying it on my waterline, lower waterline, and also on my upper waterline. And also I'm taking the shade Play and I'm smudging it on my lower waterline to create that V-shape line, and joining it with my upper lid. And now I'm taking the mascara from Oriflame. This is, as you all know, this is one of my favorite mascara, and it gives such a good volume to your eyelashes. So I'm just going to apply it. And guys, if you're comfortable with the fake eyelashes, you can apply it, but I am not, so I'm just skipping it. And now I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, and then I'm filling my eyebrows. Guys, I have taken the highlighter from Inside Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply and highlight my brow bone and the inner waterline. It's such a good highlighter in affordable range. And I'm taking the blush tint from Just Herbs. It's one of my favorite. It gives such a natural kind of blush on your skin. And now I have taken the same brown shadow which I have used for my on my eyelids, and I'm just applying it on my fingers and creating a line on my nose to contour my nose. So I usually do this way. If you can also do this, because if you don't have any contour palette, so I used to contour my nose this way, and it works much more better. And now I'm taking the maroon shade lipstick from Inside Cosmetics, I guess, and just applying it on my lips. Such a good shade. And the same eyeshadow palette and brown shade, I'm just contouring my face, my jawline. It just give you a sizzle kind of look. Mostly I don't do contouring, but when I do this way. I'm applying it also on my nose, just blending it nicely to create a seamless look. And I'm also using the highlighter, same Inside highlighter. It's such a wonderful highlighter in affordable range, all over my face, on bridge of my nose, all the high points of my face, and I've also put a bindi to finish this look. So guys, this is the final look. I just love the look it turned out. It gives such a vibe, a festive vibe. So yeah guys, that's all for today. I hope this video is useful for you all, and if it is so, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment on my channel, and also hit the like button to show some more love. And yeah, stay blessed guys, stay happy, stay healthy, wealthy, and stay natural. Bye bye guys.